Link tax return delivery to job. Linking tax return deliveries to jobs keeps all your client work organized in one place while enabling powerful workflow automation. When you connect a delivery to a job, it appears directly on the job card where your team can track its status and access tax returns without navigating through multiple pages. Once a tax return delivery is linked to a job, it unlocks automation possibilities. The delivery can trigger automatic job progression, moving clients through your pipeline based on specific actions like invoice payment or document signing. Linking deliveries to jobs also enhances team collaboration. Everyone working on the job can see the tax return delivery status directly in the document section of the job card. You can link an existing delivery by opening it for editing. Another approach is linking from the job card itself. Open the job card from your pipeline view or from the Workflow and Jobs section. In the linked section of the job card, select Documents. Find the document that has your prepared tax return delivery and save. The delivery package attaches along with the document. You'll see whether it's preparing for delivery, delivered, viewed by the client, pending signature, or signed. These statuses provide real-time visibility into where each delivery stands in the client review process, helping your team coordinate next steps effectively. When you need to remove a delivery link, you'll unlink the entire document that contains it. Note that if your delivery included an invoice, that invoice remains linked to the job even after unlinking the delivery. Invoices must be unlinked separately if needed.